Today I will talk about the operation of the air conditioner. An air conditioner is used to cool your house. There are five main parts: an expansion, vent, an evaporator, a compressor, condenser coil, and two fans. Talking about the operation, first the compressor compresses the low pressure gas into the high pressure gas. After passing through the condenser coil, the high pressure gas will be converted into liquid. When going through the expand brain, the high pressure liquid will turn into the low pressure liquid. The evaporator converts the low pressure liquid into the low pressure gas, and the two fans will blow it into the air to cool your house, and the cooling cycle continue. That's all.